Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, that is the ringtone speaker in a phone. Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. We start with the fact that we need isopropyl alcohol, 100%, so that it doesn't just evaporate after cleaning a brush, preferably a round one, for cleaning and also a flat one. If you don't have that, you can use a regular toothbrush. A toothbrush with soft or soft-medium bristles will also work just fine for cleaning. So if you don't have specialized tools, you can use that instead. But I recommend using slightly more helpful, more convenient brushes. But that's up to you. So first, what do? We put some alcohol on the brush. We have the phone turned off. The buzzer, here we have a couple of holes. We wipe those holes with the brush until all the dirt comes out of them. Move it back and forth in one direction and then slowly in the other, so that every bit of the trapped dirt finally comes out of all those tiny holes. And then we'll have a fully working buzzer, meaning we'll have loud ringtones when someone calls us, and we want to answer the call. So it's best if we spend 2 to 3 minutes on this. In one direction, in the other, in the third, in the fourth. Move in every direction. Those very holes. Like I said, it should be fairly firm. Generally speaking, a medium firm or soft brush is absolutely ideal for this specific task. Later, you can finish up with that round brush. Do the same thing a few times on the side, one side, the other. Front, back, so that all the holes are clean. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 10 minutes. We have to wait until the alcohol evaporates. Be patient, it might even take up to an hour. So just wait calmly. Once you've waited that time, you can use your phone as normal. Thank you very much for your attention. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, likes and subscriptions, and see you in the next video.